the first layer of roof is complete. We covered it with spruce planks. Today, me and Saša were molding for the whole day, and we were molding the Siberian larch for the roof and for the outside of the house. We made a special profile that will allow water to slide down and the wood won't be rotting. In these days I will try to speed up the progress because in 3 days there may be rain. And I don't want the construction to get wet because wood is always alive and always working, and if it gets wet it may get wavy and curvy, and the construction is now perfect, and we will do our best to cover the house before the rain.
Hi guys! So the original plan for the inside of the roof was to put an isolation between all the rafters and then cover them up completely with another layer of spruce planks, but we actually changed our minds because the rafters look beautiful just the way they are now, and we also think that the isolation is going to be sufficient like that anyway. And if it turns out that it's not sufficient, we will just do things according to the original plan. But for now, I sanded all the rafters, and I'm going to put tape on the spruce planks to protect them against paint, and then I'm going to paint all the rafters with a brown color in the shade of walnut, so that there will be a contrast between light spruce planks and darker rafters.
I'm really thankful because we managed to cover the roof and the construction before rain. The original plan was to rent a scaffold, but we couldn't get it in time. So we had to improvise. And maybe our decisions and acts weren't the most safe, but we tried to make them as safe as possible. In the beginning, I was thinking about doing a metal roof, but then I decided to make a wooden one because of many reasons. The wood is insulation at the same time, it's natural, it blends in with nature and forest better, it came a little bit cheaper, and also I don't like the sound when the rain is falling on the metal roof. Now about the construction of the roof. The first layer are spruce planks. We covered them with waterproof membrane, and on the top of waterproof membrane we put these battens, 7 battens, and the top layer is Siberian larch. The Siberian larch, which is painted with oil for wood impregnation. In my opinion, the important thing about the wooden roof are these spaces here, which is why I left 2 millimeters of space between every Siberian larch plank. When it rains or when the wood gets wet, it may expand, and if the planks are tied together, there is no room to expand and the wood may crack. And you definitely don't want cracks on your roof. Just as a fun fact, I used 1000 nails for the first layer of roof and 948 of screws for the top layer of roof. Now I expect to use about 1000 of screws more for the rest of the house. So now I would love to hear your thoughts or experience with this kind of wooden roof. I think that the roof will be fine just the way it is now, because it's covered with Siberian larch, which would last at least 30 or 40 years. Also, if I will have any troubles with the roof, maybe it won't be waterproof or anything else, I can still just cover it with another layer of metal roof. So if you like this video and you want to stay updated with the progress of my cabin. Please subscribe and support me and my channel. Thank you for watching.